Whenever you set up an AI solution, you have to think and finalize right AI models like LLM model. But instead of wasting time and budget choosing different models like GPT-5, GPT-5.mini, and GPT-4, and so on, Azure AI Foundry's intelligent model router will analyze and select right model for each prompt. We can save cost, also we can accelerate efficiency as well. Hi, this is Murli Thulam, founder of IT Sport Private Limited, architect trainer in the area of DevSecOps, Azure, AWS, Kubernetes with AI, ML, IoT integration. Till now, I have trained more than 5,000 plus students and 1,000 plus students working with top MNCs. Also, we have developed FIRA, which helps small and medium scale businesses streamline operations, scale with confidence. Now, let us discuss about what is model router. Let us see. So before discussing our model router, first let us see what is router first. Just see here. If you observe here I need to send communication from computer A to computer B. And here different networks are there. So we are using one router. So we can send data from one network to other network by using router. Now let us observe our model router concept as well. So here users, they are trying to execute some prompts. So these are all different prompts. Let us imagine different prompts, right? Each prompt, it requires some model, right? Instead of spending costly model, so here, whenever you are executing some specific prompt, model router will analyze and select right model here. So here you can see this is the version, you can see latest version, you can see that model version. These are all different models. Let us see documentation also. Model. So each version, it contains multiple models, LLM models, you can see. So this is the previous version, you can see, right? So here we didn't find any GPT 5.5 or 5 mini or 5 nano, you can see. But latest version, you can see GPT-5 as well. These are all different model versions as well as model router versions. So also you can see how to use these models. So now let us open our Azure OpenAI. Just go back to your Azure OpenAI Foundry and just create a Foundry service. Let me create a Foundry service here. Just select any resource group. Let us say model router RG, and just select a SVC Foundry. Example, you see. Okay. Now I'm trying to create a Foundry service, and default options I'm using. Encryption also. Just select this option. Now let us see, this is our Foundry service, AI Foundry service. And here let us go to Foundry portal. Now let us observe model router here. This is the model catalog. So within the model catalog, so you can see model router also. These are all different models to see. So these are all different models, right? In terms of quality, safety, cost, and throughput, these are all models. You can see that different models you can see within this catalog. And now let us open model router. Just open this, read blog, as well as let me open blog as well. Also just open model router also. Now, so this is the model router, right? So within this model router, so what are all models included? You can see that these are all models included. And also previously we used to deploy our models, individual models. Instead of that, now you can use this model router. Now you can use this model router automatically based on the prompt. it will be redirected to space. It will try to select and finalize specific GPT model or LLM model, you can say. So in this way, you can see this model router also. Next time, whenever you're trying to set up AI solution, just try to use this model router also. Also, let us see how to use this model. This is the model router, right? So training data last updated to see, this is the timestamp. Also, you can observe pricing as well, how much amount we need to pay for this model. And also to see, so, and data, media, and language support to see. Inputs, text and image, and outputs, text. And then, so here you can see, go through the pricing, right? So based on the tokens, and how many tokens it is supporting also, you can see that. Now, just use this model. So here you can see this is the name. You can change this name. And as of now, we are selecting global standard. And also this is the region. These many tokens per minute. And create resource and deploy. Just now we onboarded our model router. So here you can see these are all options. And target URI as well as key. And also you can see your model router information. So also language and the SDK and authentication, you see different formats also. So you can also use intra-ID authentication. Always it is recommended to use intra-ID for better security. And also let us open Playground. Now within the Playground, you can enter some prompts. So it will give you the model number as well. Let us mention some questions. Let us mention list. Topics, let us see. So here, whenever you're asking some question, so it will try to refer whatever model it is using. So here it will try to refer that. Azure AI Foundry model router. It will try to refer this model number, right? So in this way, you can see that whenever you're asking some question or prompt, whenever you're mentioning some prompt, based on the prompt, so model router, it will try to redirect to correct model. So here, what is the advantage here? Instead of spending huge amount, you can save cost. Also, we can increase efficiency as well. This is the official documentation. So please go through the documentation. If you like this video, please share it and see you in the next video.